And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 16. Let me show you how you can create a donut, which is a typical circle cutout in center. Just left click here on this box and you can select the ellipse and left click drag on your canvas to create a circle. By default it should have a fill and a stroke. Let us change the fill to some bluish color, maybe this, and I get rid of the stroke. Now you can see the top menu, it changes when we have nothing selected. And we actually have to select our circle. So left click on it and now we have this option, convert to donut. That's what we need. We left click and this should give you a cutout by default of 50%. We have lots of new options here, don't let it confuse you. What we need is the whole radius. Obviously 100% is the entire circle and 0% leaves you with no cutout. And percentage is the relative value of width and height that we've got set for a circle, and we can use the transform to change that. And make the circle 2000 times 2000. And we have a whole radius of 50%, which makes it 1000 times 1000. If I make that 25%, we have 500 times 500. Just to prove that, let me create a new circle. I will control left click on the canvas and make that 500 times 500. And let me give that kind of like reddish fill color. If I put this now on our circle with the cutout, you can see this fills exactly the cutout area. So always keep that in mind when you work with donuts. The whole radius is the relative value of the absolutes of your circle that you can set right here under transform. And this how you can create a donut in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.